Hey Lindsay, you got a second to talk? Okay, so as you know, here at Mr. Sparky, safety is our number one core value. Now, as I was doing my safety inspection, I noticed your smoke detectors are expired. Now, there's two visual signs that you can use to tell that smoke detector has expired. The first is a born on date. Now, the National Fire Prevention Agency and manufacturers have put a born on date on the back of the smoke detector. And according to this born on date, your smoke detector has expired in June of last year. Now the second way to tell it's expired is the yellow discoloration. And this yellow discoloration tells me that you have an ionization type smoke detector. So with an ionization type smoke detector, you have a chamber that has radioactive particles in it. Now, there's little strikes between the particles that, if they're broken by dust, smoke, dander, anything like that, it will trigger the alarm to go off. Now, over time, those radioactive particles start to decay and seep out into the plastic. That's what causes the yellow discoloration. And it's been proven that at 5 years it loses 50% of its capability to be able to detect an actual fire. Now, there is a second type of smoke detector, and it's called a photoelectric. Now, with the photoelectric, they are great at detecting slow smoldering fires, whereas the ionization detects the fast burning or fast flaming fires. However, most of the fires in homes in the U.S. today are caused by the slow smoldering fire. Do you have any questions for me?